Today I'm going to be reviewing this VanTrue Dashcam T2. We were fortunate enough to be sponsored by them so that we could do this review for you guys. You can buy this product on Amazon. I will leave a link down below. What's different between this one and the one we reviewed before is that you can record it 24/7 by plugging into the OBD2 as a power source. It records in 1080p. It has a 2-inch LCD screen. It could record nighttime. Has a Sony sensor in there, and it supports up to 256 gigabyte of micro SD. It can withstand heat as well. It has a built-in supercapacitor, and also it has G sensors, so in case you get into the accident, it will record a couple seconds before the accident and after the accident, and also locks the video so that you don't accidentally delete it. It has time-lapse, it has loop recording. Let's see what's included inside. Alright, here's what is inside the box. Here's your dash cam. This is your suction cup. This is your OBD2 power source. This is your cigarette lighter power source. And this is, not sure what this is USB is for. Probably for a USB if your car has USB. But if you don't have USB in your car, then you could use your cigarette lighter. And if you want 24/7 hour monitoring, then you use this OBD2 power source right here. Oh, and also your user manual for info on the dash cam. It tells you all the information in here, so you go ahead and review it. Let's take a look at this mounting cup and how it works. So basically you put this against the windshield and you turn to the right to create that suction, and to release you're going to turn left, and it releases the suction. It is spring loaded, so that's how it creates the tension. And this is where you mount your dash cam. This is where it swivels around, and to tighten it you want to turn to the right. If you want it to move freely, then you turn it to the left. Also, this suction cup has a micro USB plug-in, so this is very convenient by leaving your wire plug in and taking your dash cam with you if you don't want to leave it in your car. So this is how it works. You plug this connection to the dash cam connection, slide it in, and it's attached. Now to loosen it, you press this tab and you pull back, and that's how you release it. So this dash cam has a 2-inch LCD screen, has a OK button for the menu. This is a button to take a picture in case of emergency. This is the menu button. This is the forward, back button. This is the waveguard indicator on and off button. This is your waveguard sensor. This is the lens, and this is the speaker. Let's go to the side. This is where you put your micro SD card. There's already one in here that I put in. This is the USB plug where you could power up this dash cam if you want to. When you power this thing on, you have to format your micro SD card before you can even use this this dash cam. So you need to go into menu, and you go forward, system setup, and then you're going to go and format your micro SD. Once it's formatted, you can use this micro SD. So let's go through the menu together. But first, let me turn off the sound. Alright, let's go back to the menu. First, you have a system setup, GPS setup if you have a attachment to it. I think it's a separate attachment device. And you have files where all your files is going to be stored in when you record it. And then your record setup. So let's go system setup. There's language, format SD card. You can set your time and date. Your LCD, you leave it on or off. Your waveguard indicator, your device sound, your frequency, and your system info. And you go back to your default setting if you click OK on this one. And then your GPS, like I said, is a accessory that you could attach to it. And your files has your event, normal, and your photo. Your photo is where you press the emergency photo button right here, and your all. Your record setting, your resolution, there's 1080p and 720. your loop recording, your G sensor, your audio recording, your parking monitor, your exposure, your car number set is your license number, your stamp, which is your timestamp, and your rotate display, which is you could turn it upside down and you could record it that way if you want, your time lapse, and your HDR. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna take this for a drive and I'll record the daytime and the nighttime view of it and see how you guys like it. So far I've been using it for a week and I've been liking it so far, so here's a sample video of the morning drive and the night drive.